Afternoon. I'm gonna try a poor man's power test on this bean can. I'm gonna use these. This is a fresh band set. These are the number 33 rubber bands. Now, last year I took a squirrel with these bands and .380 lead balls, and it was quite a distance, and the lead ball went into the skull of the squirrel. I didn't really want to dig it out or do anything like that on video, but I remember checking it out, so I thought I would see what it does to this bean can. Let's see. It's not a far distance, comparatively speaking, from the hunting ranges that I had, but let's find out what it does to a can of beans. Okay, these are, let's see, .380s, chain number 33s. Let's give it a shot and see what happens. It didn't penetrate, but let's see the smash factor. You can see the energy. Okay, so this is a tin can. It's hard, and let's see if that gives it a good up close. I can't see from my side of the lighting the energy that it displays. I could tear off the paper and see what we can see. Why don't we do another shot and we'll flip it around, see what happens. This time I'll try with the 10 millimeter lead, the 395s. Okay, these are the 10 millimeters. They're about 10 grains heavier. Let's see what they do. We flip the can around. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Let's see. Well, it grazed off a little higher, but you can see that it has a lot more energy on impact. I'll give it one more shot just to see. All right, one more with the 10 millimeter lead. I try to hit it lower. So it means I'm not going to be able to do as fast a shot because I'm trying to be more careful. Let's see what happens. I'll try to hit it lower. It does have a lot more smash to it. Just 10 more grains. It gives it that much extra thump. But even still, that's the original hit right there. That's the .380. They're pretty close in energy. It's just that there's a lot more shock. The impact that you get with the 92 more the 92 grains versus the 82. So that's not bad. Years ago, I conducted these tests with heavier lead. It was 11 millimeter lead, 440 caliber, and it was actually punching through these, but I was using different rubber bands. They were a little more stout. This is what I've been using to bag those squirrels, no problem. Oh, I guess what I'm trying to say is if you can do that much damage to a bean can, then it will be more than sufficient to hunt small game. That's what they call the poor man's chronograph, the bean canometer, as a friend of mine said. There you go. That's the kind of smash power that will give you the result you need. It's just a quick one for today. I will do an actual chronograph reading next time. Thanks for viewing.